It works wonders when the family gathers at Grandma's for one of those special Sunday dinners.
Yeah, it's a drumstick. Drumstick.
And if you get a headache later on, that's when Bayer works wonders. 2 Bayer tablets bring all the pain relief power your headache can use. Bayer is pure aspirin, not just part aspirin. Bayer works wonders.
Hey, what'd you do that for?
Well, what's that? Oh, you mean this? Well, actually, it's these new Chesterfield filters. Here, try one. They say it's true, you know. The filter taste is gone. Somebody finally put this, true taste, in a filter cigarette. Well, it figures. Those Chesterfield people have been making great cigarettes for 50 years or more. How about it? Filter taste gone, right? True taste, huh? Oh, that's not right, not quite. It's middle thing. No, down, always down. Never up, down. Oh, good.
It's true, it's gone. The filter taste is gone. New Chesterfield filters have put true taste in a filter cigarette.
True taste. Try 'em.
If you're a woman, you know what it means to be needed. You know how much fun it can be. You know, too, how all the fun can go out of your life when the tensions of a woman's day cause an exhausting headache to interfere. But now you have special help. It's called COPE. C-O-P-E. New COPE helps you by relieving headache pain. At the same time, a gentle relaxer in COPE eases the tension that so often causes the pain. Many pills are sold for everybody's headaches, but COPE is for women. The formula that eases the pain and, with a gentle relaxer, eases the tension behind it. COPE understands women as no other headache remedy can. When everyday tension brings on a headache, take new COPE. You'll be back at your best again fast. You'll know it, and so will those who need your love so much.
Friends, go in and see the Soda Plymouth dealer tomorrow. And when you do, tell him Groucho sent you.
They sure work hard, don't they, Barney? Yeah? I hate to see them work so hard. Yeah, me too. Let's go around back where we can't see them. Gee, we ought to do something, Fred. Okay. How's about taking a nap? Hey, I got a better idea. Let's take a Winston break. That's it. Winston is the one filter cigarette that delivers flavor 20 times a pack. Winston's got that filter blend. Yeah, Fred. Filter blend makes the big taste difference, and only Winston has it up front where it counts. Here, ahead of the pure white filter. Winston packs rich tobaccos specially selected and specially processed for good flavor in filter smoke. Yeah, Barney, Winston tastes good, like a cigarette should.
The Flintstones has been brought to you by Winston, America's best-selling, best-tasting filter cigarette.
Winston tastes good like a cigarette should.
Gillette packs an avalanche of smooth shaving comfort in new Gillette Foamy. Nobody makes a lather like Foamy. So moist, so rich, so creamy. Nobody makes a lather like Gillette.
Out for a ride and wham! A blowout. Is he bad? No use, Sam. Pumping isn't going to help your situation. Here's Sam's that everybody's answered to. Freedom from flats and extra protection against blowouts. Famous general puncture sealing safety tubes that seal holes automatically, like this. Let you forget flats forever. Give you extra protection against blowouts. And here's real money-saving news. Your General Tire dealer will give you full original price for your present regular tubes, regardless of condition, when traded in on new General puncture sealing safety tubes. Don't monkey with flats. See your General Tire dealer. Remember, this is a limited offer. Don't monkey with flats. Be like Sam Spike here, who learned his lesson. Now he's sold on General puncture sealing safety tubes that let you forget flats forever. Give you extra protection against blowouts. Watch Sam. He can puncture the General puncture sealing safety tube again and again more than 300 times with no air loss. This special latex compound seals holes automatically. And here's important money-saving news. Your General Tire dealer will give you full original price for your present tubes, regardless of condition, when traded in on a set of General puncture sealing safety tubes. Sam Spike reminds you, though, this is a limited offer. See your General Tire dealer today.
Hello? Anybody home? Martha! What happened? You're on the heel mark shield. The what? The Glow Coat heel mark shield. Shields against black heel marks. I'm on home. See, it shields against Jimmy's black heel marks. All of them? Well, just about. Great.
Here's why. Glow Coat is extra hard. Twice as hard as most other waxes. See? The floor is still shiny.
Hey, where you going? I need a shield at my house.
Hard gloss Glow Coat. It shields against black heel marks.
Grape nuts breakfast time.
Good. Crunchy little nuggets bursting with nut sweet flavor.
Well, first we got to exercise them.
Do we have to?
Now, that's our agreement. We got to keep slim and trim. It helps to eat the right kind of foods, like a post-grape nuts breakfast.
I do, honest.
And we got to exercise.
How often?
You want your post-grape nuts?
Barn.
Come on.
A grape nuts breakfast fills you up, not out. 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 Fills you up, not out.
Delicious.
Nothing looks and feels so fine as a hair that's got that halo shine. Halo means a glowing sheen, shining bright and close up clean. My halo, and let yourself glow.
No shampoo says glow like Halo. Halo with the built-in shine.
My halo, and let yourself glow.
Hey, kids, let me tell you about something that happened here at the ranch the other afternoon. It was just about dinner time, and Dale and I were just getting back from town. In fact, we were late, and Dale was worrying about making supper, so she jumped right out and hurried inside. And when she got inside the kitchen, she found all the kids making dessert with Jell-O instant pudding. Dale was just as proud as she could be, and they sure whipped that pudding up quick and easy, too. You know, with Jell-O instant pudding, you just empty the package into a bowl that has some cold milk in it, and then you beat it up. There's no trick to it at all. And kids, you just never ate a better tasting dessert anywhere, whether it's butterscotch, vanilla, or chocolate. So ask your mom to get some Jell-O instant puddings for you real soon. And then the next time she's busy, you can have the swellest dessert in the whole world all ready for her. Don't forget the name. It's Jell-O instant pudding. And now, how about singing the Jell-O instant pudding song with us? You ready?
Sure are.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's never too late to make dessert with
Jell-O instant pudding, so get the busy day dessert. Jell-O instant pudding, it's so easy a kid can make dessert with Jell-O instant pudding, so get the busy day dessert. Jell-O instant pudding.
Yep, you get some Jell-O instant puddings in all three flavors. Vanilla, chocolate, and butterscotch. They're good.
Introducing the Sloppy Joe, a brand new dance. From Lily's, the people who make Sloppy Joes. Just eat and eat and swing to the beat. Nothing like it anywhere. Get beef or pork. What do kids think of it?
Man, it's the sloppiest.
Lesser kids, we'll send you a real Maverick belt with a secret money pocket made of genuine top-grain cowhide, and the buckle says Maverick, and behind it is your secret money pocket for coins, pictures, secret stuff. And look, Brett and Bart's pictures right in the leather. To get your Maverick belt, send only $1 and this seal from the tuck-in flap of any box of Kaiser foil.
It's quilted.
It's quilted to wrap stronger and seal tighter, so get Kaiser foil. And send for your Maverick belt. Comes in sizes 20 to 30 inches. Please specify. Send $1 and this seal from the tuck-in flap of any box of Kaiser foil. Address Maverick Belt, Box 7, San Francisco 1, California. That's Maverick Belt, Box 7, San Francisco 1, California.
Simon Pure Beer presents Buster Keaton. When you order a beer, ask the man to draw Simon Pure. The happier, hoppier beer.
Crunch. Quench. 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 Lunch. Quench. Bunch. Quench. Meet the Great American Quencher, Lipton Iced Tea. It has more quench because it has more brisk flavor than other iced teas. Why? The Lipton blend and the flow-through tea bag. It's like getting 2 bags of flavor in one. Look inside. 2 bags of flavor in one. You get that clean, fresh, brisk Lipton flavor. So when you bunch, munch, crunch, quench with Lipton iced tea, you get more quench because you get more flavor than with other iced teas and less than 2 calories per glass. More people drink it than all other teas combined. Lipton flow-through tea bags or Lipton iced tea mixes. Choose lemon, lime, or mint. Delicious.
Last season, only 2 crew members of the Jolie Madame smoked L&Ms, Reed Ruggles and Jane Price. This year, Tom and Skipper Jack Price are on the L&M side. When you've got today's best tasted smoking, people find out.
Come on over to the L&M side. Come on over for the taste of it. Come on over, you'll be glad you did. Come on over to the L&M side.
What makes L&M today's best tasted smoking? Maybe it's the rich flavor leaf. Maybe it's the full-bodied blend. Why not ask an L&M smoker? He's found out.
Come on over, you'll be glad you did. Come on over to the L&M side.
A couple of years ago at Pete Taylor's dance studio, only Jack smoked L&Ms. Now Kim Kelly's come over. When you've got today's best taste in smoking, people find out.
Oh, sis, I can't eat wall spring tonight with this hair. And my shampoo washes all the body out. Don't wash out body, Pam. Cream in body. With Luster Cream shampoo. Really? Mm-hmm. Luster Cream actually creams in body. It's got more body-building ingredients than any leading shampoo. Creamy lather. Dreamy body.
Beautiful sister-in-law.
Beautiful Luster Cream.
Irregularity. I suppose you know all about laxatives. Well, there are stimulants like the candy type, bulk types, lubricants like mineral oil. What do you think doctors recommend most often? Milk of magnesia. Doctors say it's thorough yet gentle. So when you suffer from irregularity, get Phillips Milk of Magnesia. Phillips is thorough and gentle. And Phillips is the kind of laxative doctors recommend most often. That makes sense. cigarettes, take Philip Morris.
Oh? Is there any other kind?
Not for you, there isn't. Nothing but the best for Mr. Ricardo.
Thank you. Lucy, you're so good to me.
You see how easy it is to keep a man happy? Why not give your husband a carton of Philip Morris cigarettes?
Smart move. He'll love them for their mildness, their smoothness, and their wonderful good taste. And he'll love you, too, for thinking of him.
That's right. Good night, everybody. And don't forget, call for Philip Morris. Call for Philip Morris!
You do all you can to help them grow right. Because you care, and we do too. Pet introduces Instant Breakfast Plus, the most nourishing instant breakfast you can buy. The only one with the plus of good health. The only one fortified 100%. Instant Breakfast Plus. Now you can satisfy hunger and health. Finally.
Good, huh? Is that great? Delicious.
That's a good instant breakfast.
It's a good instant breakfast plus.
Plus what?
Well, are you ready for this, JJ? 100% of the minimum daily adult requirements of vitamins and minerals.
You pay extra for that?
No! And you get the vitamins and minerals in there for the whole day.
Pet Instant Breakfast Plus makes instant breakfast the most important meal of the day.
Now try this new way to accent your figure. Cross your heart, see? You're suddenly shapelier. Well, that's what this new Playtex Fashion Magic Cotton Bra does. It crosses your heart with stretch to lift and separate. You're suddenly shapelier. This cross your heart shaping is only on Playtex regular Fashion Magic bras and new long line styles. Cross your heart. You'll be shapelier, honestly. And here's news about girdles.
Announcing a comfortable way to look 5 pounds thinner. The new 5 pounds thinner girdle by Playtex. Prove it yourself. Fingertips so. Press in. See? The new Playtex girdle has fingertip panels to hold you in firmly. Yet it's so different. Feels like nothing you've ever felt before. Look 5 pounds thinner without losing a pound. In the new 5 pounds thinner girdle by Playtex.
This is my family album. And this to my brother Hoppel. He's always chasing the girls. But to no more, now he's a telling the girls about creamy prom. Because prom home permanent is awaiting cream. Leaves your hair soft and like this. Look at the way the waver, she's a bounce back every time. Hey, lady, wouldn't you like your wave behavior like this? You'll get a creamy prom. Right, Hoppel?
Excuse me.
Yes?
Excuse me. What's doing cat food?
Today's your lucky day. We just got in these new Puss in Boots flavor packs. The latest thing in dry cat food. Flavor packs come 8 to a box, and every pack's a measured meal. So every time you eat, you get everything you need, all your vitamins. It's a complete diet in just the right amount.
Very convenient. But why do they call them flavor packs?
Each meal is sealed. They taste great because the flavor can't escape. Here.
You know, that's great. I'll take it. A tasty, dry cat food. That's what I've been looking for.
Boy, every cat comes in here switching to flavor packs. Well, after all, who knows more about cats than Puss in Boots?
Snap, what a happy sound. Snap is the happiest sound I've found. You may clap, rap, tap, slap, but snap makes the world go round. Snap, crackle, Rice Krispies. I say it's crackle, the crispy sound. You gotta have crackle or the clock's not wound. Geese cackle, feathers tickle, bells buckle, beats twinkle, but crackle makes the world go round. Snap, crackle, Rice Krispies. I insist that pop's the sound. The best is missed unless pop's around. You can't stop hopping, the cereal's popping. Pop makes the world go round. Snap, crackle, Rice Krispies.
Mr. Man-to-Man! Yeah? You smoke a Roy-Tan cigar?
Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan. Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan cigar. Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan. For a taste that is better by far.
Roy-Tan offers you a wide choice of shapes and sizes to suit your taste. Whichever you choose, you'll enjoy the fine-tasting tobaccos that Roy-Tan is famous for.
Come on now, bring it up, boys. Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan. Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan cigar. Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan. For a taste that is better by far.
Man-to-man, smoke a Roy-Tan from the American Tobacco Company.
Oops, I'm making a mess of things. Glad I'm using Griffin. Yours is much easier than mine.
What happens when kids shine their mother's shoes?
Does your mommy always get Griffin? Yes. Last time I was such a mess. Happened again. Look at your dress.
Griffin, with its new applicator, is the neatest and easiest way you can polish shoes.
Sure is.
Put that rack up all by yourself
I sure did.
and scrub the floors. All finished? Then you deserve to have it soft with Soft Teak Beauty Bath Oil. Most leading bath oils just float on the water, but Soft Teak swirls through the water, swirls relaxing softness evenly over your skin.
Honey?
I'm taking a bath in soft tea.
Boy, these women have a soft life.
Try Soft Teak Beauty Bath Oil. You deserve it.
Oh, we got it. You got what? We found a way to put Simonized car wax and Simonized car cleaner all in one push-button can. And just how does it work, Professor Nitwit? Come on, we'll show you. Come on, we'll show you. Come on, Now look, it squirts on. You push the button. See? And then what? You spread it around and let it dry. And it's really Simonized, is it? Watch this. Sure, it's Simonized. Look at that shine. We'll be famous. We'll make a fortune. We'll call it Instant Simonized. Instant Simonized, you lame brains. You can already buy Instant Simonized everywhere. Instant Simonized? They thought of it too. Simonized thinks of everything. Try Instant Simonized, another easy new way to brighten your day. From Simonized Company. I'd like some gasoline, please.
Yes, sir.
Dennis Day, you in a technical uniform?
My name is Rodney. Fill it up with New Sky, Chief, sir?
But you're Dennis Day.
It can drive down the cost of driving and save you money.
Money?
Yes, sir. New Sky Chief does one thing better than any other leading gasoline. It keeps valves like this from getting like this. You see, with fewer harmful deposits on your valves, you can get better mileage, and the chance of expensive repairs is much less.
Oh, well, in that case, I'll try a gallon.
Gee, thanks, Mr. Benny.
Wait a minute. If you're not Dennis Day, how did you know I was Jack Benny?
Who else would buy 1 gallon?
Texaco sells more gasoline than anybody else. So why a New Sky Chief gasoline? Because we're first, and we have a big responsibility to drive down your cost of driving. You cleaned the kitchen sink!
Honey, all I did was...
Use New Blue Ajax cleanser, get you out of the kitchen fast.
Look, hot marks take the time. Even steel wool can't do the job. But watch Ajax with blue chlorine. Just a soft sponge and hot marks gone fast.
Honey, all I did was...
Get out of the kitchen fast. Get Ajax, now in plastic, too.
Oh, don't let the hot sun dry out your hair. Better use Vitalis.
Summer sun, the wind, the water, all make your hair dry as the desert. Your scalp becomes flaky. New Vitalis Hair Tonic with V7, the greaseless grooming discovery, stops summer dryness, keeps your hair neater all day. Vitalis gives your hair extraordinary protection from the ravages of sun, wind, and water. New laboratory findings show that even excessively dried out hair gets back its necessary moisture content faster with Vitalis than with any leading hair cream or hair oil. Yes, greaseless Vitalis with wonder-working V7 does wonders for your hair and for you, too. Get new Vitalis with V7.
If you want to make time with your girl, better use Vitalis. You know what I mean.
Neat, huh? It's the most advanced car on the road. All four wheels independently sprung. Torsion bar suspension, the greatest. The engine, air-cooled, so you never have to worry about boiling over or freezing. And it's in the rear for better traction. Stick shift, naturally. 4 forward gears. Bucket seats, well, what else? You can have it made up with a custom body, like this, for, $5,000, $6,000. Or you can have the same chassis with this, slightly more familiar body, for a lot less money. It's called a Volkswagen.
If you had a friend who was a king, what kind of a gift would you give him? Well, there are many people of prominence who have been thrilled to receive this. Zenith's famous 9-band transoceanic, the world's most exciting radio, powered to tune in the world. You'll find every Zenith radio, from the famous transoceanic to the tiniest pocket transistor, is built in the Zenith quality tradition, including super-sensitive FM/AM radios, and some table and clock radios, and powerful solid-state portables. Over 100 radios to choose from, priced to fit every gift budget. At Zenith, the quality goes in before the name goes on. If you're buying a radio for a king, a friend, or for yourself, why not get the best?
From the world-famous Walt Disney Studios, the ABC Network proudly brings you Zorro. The rich and colorful legend of early California comes to life. He rides the land and into your heart with bold and daring adventures.
Out of the night, when the full moon is